Alright, here in the Virginia Beach area, we don't get much snow, so when we get anything over 2 or 3 inches of snow, it shuts everything down and we get all excited. So I just wanted to try this little technique here to keep from having to shovel the sidewalk. So let's see what happens. And now we just wait for the snow to begin. Of course, I'm not going to be able to pick up the tarps until the snow stops. I don't want to have the snow ruin my handiwork. So we're going to probably have to wait till the next day before we remove the tarps. That blue tarp is working pretty good. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let me get that measuring tape and see how much snow we got. We'll measure it right here on the porch first. Let's see. It's 3 inches. Yeah, it's 3 inches right there. Thursday morning, February 20th. We'll see how much snow we got in here. There's that tarp underneath there. I'm going to pull that up here in a minute. Look at that snow in the bird bath. Okay, look right here on the porch. It's undisturbed snow right here. About 8.5, 9.
Ice-free porch. And there you have it.
My findings are, it's good for the porch, but not for the sidewalk, especially if you got 10 inches of snow. If you only got about 3 or 4 inches, it might be okay, but that's just too much snow. Still gonna have to get the snow shovel and get this little bit off of here. But it worked out pretty good for the porch.